welcome to Summer to Part. This is Summer. Today's video we are going to install the carbon fiber dashboard panel. As we can find after we upgrade the interior carbon fiber kit, this place the dashboard is still keep the silver ones, which make the customer's meals very confused and embarrassed. So we make the dry carbon fiber. The first batch products we made is with carbon fiber. To improve the quality of the products, we finish the dry carbon fiber. We can find that the gross carbon pattern is much more shiny and the back side is smooth and is dry carbon fiber material. So today's video we are going to compare the dashboard panels which we installed before, the wooden one, the gross black one, and also the chrome one. As we can find the different style of the interior parts match for the different taste of the car owners. Like the carbon fiber ones, maybe you prefer the sport design, and for the chrome parts you may like the chrome and the lecture style. For the wooden ones, maybe you are the guy which have the vintage and retro style, and for the gross black ones which is matched for the 007 style. So for different colors we have the different experience and motions. So today's video we are going to make the installation guide of this carbon fiber dashboard panel for you guys reference. If you have any questions about the installation or the other questions, just feel free to contact our sales party. So thank you very much for subscribe our YouTube channel and keep follow some auto parts on Defender projects. So follow my videos and check how our master to do on this one.
Like a thief, Joe sneaking up on me, heartbeat. I just wanna say all the things that I'm holding. Body amazing, get drunk, I could do it all days on end. Vacation, picture perfected temptation. So far patience, everywhere we are, new faces to chase. A million races, took a piece of my heart, stealing kisses, no traces. Like a thief, Joe must be working on me. Working on me like a thief. Like a thief.
Two-piece carbon fiber dashboard panel and the prepare one screwdriver set, which is number T30. You can make it down by yourself in 10 minutes. So the original one is aluminum and the quality is strong and very nice. And for the carbon fiber we can find it also makes the car much more sport and powerful. So if you have any questions for this product, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and send our messages for more information. Thank you very much for your watching today and see you next video. Bye bye.